What's poppin'?
It's your girl Queen K,
And it's me, so I see.
and welcome back to our channel.
I don't want to hear y'all mouth, okay? We sorry ahead of time. We're gonna talk about it, but I gotta eat first. So we got some chicken. I got regular chicken Alfredo, and Bay got shrimp chicken Alfredo. We got some garlic bread and some corn
Some corn
and some yada.
some water.
Yada.
Let's get into it, honey, because I'm a little... Oh, first we got to say grace. God is great, God is good. Let's thank you for our food. By your hand we shall be fed. God daily bread. Amen.
Amen.
Amen, honey. Dig in. This was prepared by my lovely wife.
Yeah, I had to cook. Y'all really think I can't cook? I really can cook. It don't just be Keandra. It be me too.
Damn. I'm not my mom.
It's good.
You're real good.
Yeah. I forgot the paper towels.
Let me get in this corn honey real quick. Oh, it's leaking. We'll get it up.
Yeah.
Babe put some butter in here. Yeah. Oh, it's smoking. It's hot.
I ain't got time to be eating hot food. I'm hungry. Y'all.
It's hot.
A lot.
Yeah, we've been MIA lately. We've been having a lot going on. But we love y'all for just being patient with us, honey, because
Keandra was working crazy hours.
crazy hours.
I had a lot going on. Our schedule just was not falling right.
It went.
And then we weren't able to spend time together with each other. And
Yeah, it's leaking, man.
it was just a lot. So,
Yeah, we got a lot going on.
yeah. But it's slowing down now. That's why we here.
Yeah, we're gonna get back into this routine. We were doing good, but
Look at that. Yeah. I can't do real hot food, so
I'm sorry for smacking.
I don't want to hear y'all mouth. It's hot.
It's good. Hot, but it's good.
Yes, Lord.
Get into this corn, huh?
I did that. Look at God.
Fuck him, man.
He.
I thought you were about to say, he's the lily of the valley.
He prepared this corn, honey.
Woo!
Hot. It's good, though.
Y'all, we drinking water. Because we don't need no soda.
I've been drinking a lot of soda lately.
Should be into them sodas, honey.
Yeah, I do.
Gotta get into this water. If you know me, you know that's all I drink.
Oh, she drank. She have water soda every now and then.
Oh, yeah. I got to have a Pepsi Cola every now and then, baby.
I'm talking about like if she ain't passed gas or if she ain't burped in a while and she need to, that's when she'll drink it. Or like we out and about and at a buffet and she knows she gonna eat more than usual. When she need to burp, she'll drink it in.
Yeah, but I don't drink no soda. You got it. Y'all, I'm sorry if I ain't talking a lot. Viewer discretion on smacking my mouth, talking with my mouth open. I apologize. But this food good. And I'm hungry. Girl, you put your girl.
Stop it.
I'd have pinked you.
Don't do me like that. You pay me while I'm eating, it's gonna be a damn problem. And I eat the. Okay, let me drop the corn. It's gonna be me and you, baby. Oh! It's alright.
You pump.
Y'all,
I love you.
I love it too. I got corn juice all on my mouth.
I see.
You see what I see. They put extra sauce. Cause see, I had to do the setup while she finished mixing it up. And and
this is the second time.
yeah. I like how she put this extra sauce in there.
No, that extra salt. That extra salt buzzing.
Yeah. That I can get used to. But on a serious note, we are thinking about like not changing our channel, but doing more of a certain content like eating.
Yeah.
Because we have to eat. So it's easier for us to record us eating and talk to y'all than to like have to take time out our day, go get stuff for challenges, come up with content like right off the hand when we have a lot of stuff going on. So we still gonna do like regular challenges and stuff as they become trendy, but this is our bread and butter right here, cause we have to eat.
Yeah. But we're gonna keep content coming for y'all though.
Ow.
We're gonna do better. Since our lives kind of done calmed down.
Right. And y'all tell us what y'all eat a lot. We stay in a small area and we have the basics, but they gonna have to do like the seafood mukbang and stuff, cause I don't eat crab legs, and I'm not. Cause
she is. If y'all want to see Icy try seafood for the first time, she hates seafood. Try seafood for the first time. Comment.
No.
Like, do everything. Go spam her, spam me, whatever. And let me know y'all want to see her eat seafood for the first time. She gonna do it for y'all. She'll do it for y'all. She gonna eat his crab legs, mussels.
Listen,
shrimp.
I don't know as far as the taste if I like it, but I know if I'm hungry, I can eat it when I'm hungry. Cause Keonja be hungry and the way she be having to fight through that shell. I need to be able to do the.
That's the fun part about eating crab legs though. Like cracking the shell.
I be hungry.
But that's the fun part though. The grown
yeah. And corn bush.
You got a lot of sauce for real. Let me dip my corn in. Well, she had to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do not supposed to be eating out of this, but I am hungry. I've been waiting on this all day.
I'm sorry. I forgot my what's
She forgot our milk.
Yeah. And my mouth was getting a little too moist. Yo, let me tell you. I gotta get my wisdom teeth removed. That I don't want to do.
We both do.
Yeah. Like mine have came all the way through. So anytime I chew or I bite something, or like if I yawn and close my mouth, a piece of my gum gets stuck between the back of my teeth.
I know what you're
And it's clipping like the real back of my jaw real bad. So it's kind of raw, like it hurt. It hurt.
I bet. I bet it do.
It do.
It do. It do hurt.
It do.
But listen, what if we got our wisdom teeth done on the same day?
We're gonna be high here together. We're gonna be real high. I think that'll be funny.
That'd be real funny.
Cause you already funny.
Why food keep falling out my mouth?
Like old folks, so you got a hole in your mouth?
Somebody looking at me. Yeah, you. All in my mouth.
My business, player.
Yo. I'm ready for the fall weather, babe.
Oh, I'm gonna go to a pumpkin patch. Excuse me. So we didn't even think to put that in our jar.
Oh yeah, tell them about our jar, babe.
We was like, you know, in order for us to make sure we spend time together, like, you know, and we don't mean like just coming home and watch TV together, like actually doing something together. The best way for us to do that and always have something to do is to make a jar, a date night jar. So we got one for like when we stay at home. So like we might play Monopoly and drink mixed drinks.
Yeah.
Or like if we want to just relax and watch TV, then we just relax and watch TV. So whatever. We
What the?
But whatever we pick, that's what we do. And then we also got one for when we stay out. I mean, when we want to go out. And it's like Top Golf, candle making, which yes, they do have. And I'm really excited about pulling that one.
Me too.
And, you know, walk downtown, stuff like that. We like stuff like that. It ain't got to be nothing that's going to require a whole lot of money. I mean, of course, it is like some Top Golf stuff like that in there. But for the most part, it's just something that doesn't require a lot of money. But it's going to be fun for us to do.
I don't care. I'm going to get my baby.
That's what some people fail to realize. It's not about what you spend when you with somebody. It's about what you do.
I'm done. Ooh, all the bubbles stayed in their ice. Ooh.
What about
girl. It's smoke. Ooh.
What about
No. You're bad. You don't know me like that.
Let me see. This is what I go through, y'all, when it comes. When it comes to food, y'all.
She lying.
Hold on.
Yeah, baby, did.
Y'all can't get in here. Oh, I got it. Ain't no damn bottle.
These squirt good. Ooh.
If I had one with.
You me, honey.
The hell was in that y'all?
The food. It's the food. Let me back.
Kiss my ass, boy.
That's why you got nobody. Y'all, listen to that. Listen to it.
Ow! Is it good?
Yeah, it's just not look. Just not my look. You see him? I don't know what she didn't bring us no nap.
I forgot. Yeah, we're going on a cruise. I can't tell you where we're going. Or when we're going. But we're going on a cruise.
Yeah, I am so excited.
Yahoo!
I've never.
Yeah. What is that?
I've never been on a cruise before.
Neither.
So we're gonna experience the first time together. We're gonna be scared together, but I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready to go to the casino. I think that'll be my first time going to the casino and going to a cruise. I'm gonna not go to the casino till it's time to go on the cruise, so I can do two things at one time.
We're gonna be down there for Christmas. So we're going to the casino in North Carolina. We're gonna be in North Carolina for Christmas.
Doing what?
We're gonna be in North Carolina.
What we doing? What we going for?
The mountain.
You mean Tennessee?
Yeah, I mean.
She roasted me. I done got hair key cussed out.
No, we're gonna.
And you ain't even think about the right state.
We're going to the casino though.
That's like an hour away.
And
Who driving?
us.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Baby. The corner.
I can tell we really don't care for bread like that. But y'all, I think I done reached wits end. I'm full.
Yeah.
I'm full. I don't think I can do anymore.
I'm talking about and I'm still eating the corn. The corn good for real. But I think I'm done.
No.
So again, y'all, we come back with more content. We left for a minute, but we back now. Y'all just keep us in y'all thoughts and y'all prayers. Everything is fine. It's okay to pray for people sometimes.
That sounds weird as fuck. Like, ain't nothing wrong, but...
Okay, I'm just playing it. Start up.
Like, ain't nothing wrong, but... Praying for me. I just paid my rent, but pay my rent. Like...
Okay, come on.
Y'all, I'm full. Baby gotta clean up. We hope that these mics turned out okay. Say my name when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love if you ain't running game. If y'all enjoyed our, we're gonna call it a pasta mukbang. If y'all enjoyed our pasta mukbang / welcome back video, welcome back video, go ahead and subscribe because we got more content coming like this. Like this video if you wish you would have had some of this pasta, some of this bread, some of this corn. Look at them. Nothing. If you wish you had some of this corn, and like this video, comment up under. Comment up under, tell us what we should do next or what we should eat next. Let's hear it.
Oh God.
But you done.
Yes.
What? You want me to sing it again? You want me to sing it again?
Say what?
Say my name.
No. No.
You alright?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well,
babe, no. We gotta do this whole part over.
Ain't nobody tell you start laughing.
I've been laughing the whole time because you funny.
What I do? Oh boy, we're gonna be here all night.
No. What you say?
Come on, like a damn box down here. You wanna sit down here all night?
Okay.
Like a damn box. A box.
When you said, say my name, say my name.
Oh boy.
Come on. Oh God, my cheek. Okay, my cheek. My cheek, okay. But you know how I act when I get sleepy. Come on.
This time you go to that bed.
Okay.
Go ahead and like this video if you just fuck it. I love y'all. She love y'all. We appreciate y'all. And we will see you in the next one. Bitch. Get me the fuck ASAP. Don't hit me! Ah! They got her mic off. Mo! Go ahead!
I said, please stop.
No, you please stop!
I can't take.
Where's the husband? You want me to do? Give me the mic! The concert is over! It's over! Let it go, it's over. And then that can be done. Oh
God. Bye.